If you want to find some great places to travel without breaking the bank, get a real inside look at a hotel or resort before you book, find attractions worthy of your time, and of course, experience some great food on your journey as well as at home, then stick around. Welcome to Scenic Sights and Bites. I'm Zach, and together with my wife Callie, we are making it our mission to provide you with some valuable insights on travel, adventure, and food. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and click on the thumbs up. Follow us as we take our travels to places like the warm, clear waters just off of Cancun in Quintana Roo, Mexico. The dry desert and neon-filled world of Las Vegas, Nevada, USA.
Hey guys, Zach and Kelly here from Scenic Sights and Bites. I wonder what big-haired Kelly is thinking. I think she's thinking we stayed up way too late last night.
Yes, we did.
Or this morning. And
we go to bed?
6 something.
6 a.m.
Yeah.
And even into the prairie lands of Lethbridge, Alberta, Canada. So I was feeling a little cabin feverish. Decided to take the motorcycle out for a ride and go zipping around the city of Lethbridge, Alberta. Now that took me down into the valley here, and I ended up at Fort Whoop-Up. So while we're here, why don't we check this out, because this is one of the places where if you come to Lethbridge, if you hit southern Alberta, you're going to want to stop by. So let's see what they have. Just to name a few. Along the way, we will find some amazing places worth visiting and adventures worth doing.
Not a chance. Cut the left.
And of course, the best places to find great food during your travels. This is the rum and eggnog cheesecake.
I think I'm wrong for this cheesecake.
I'll get a s'mores Pop-Tart for myself for sure, definitely. Biblo tacos. And I've got the mixed chicken and beef fajitas. And got some guacamole on the side, some more of the mild or medium sauce, and then of course the medium sauce and the habanero hot sauce. When we're not traveling, we follow the ketogenic diet. Now, missing out on your favorite comfort foods can be a real challenge on this kind of a diet, so finding good low-carb alternatives can really help. We have some great recipes that we've developed to make following a keto diet more enjoyable. And the good news is, we're sharing them with you. Each new recipe will have an easy-to-follow step-by-step video so you can see our tips to making it turn out great. So, let's taste this. The taste is there, definitely. You can taste that syrupy McGriddle flavor, and the egg and the cheese, it all comes together nicely. Now, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and click on that big red subscribe button just to the bottom right of your video. Click the bell icon and select all. That way you get notified whenever a new video is released. In the description below are links to our social media pages as well as our website, where you can find more great information, quick updates, access to the printable recipes, and so much more. See you on our next video.